In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animations in Canva, and we'll get through this together in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're refining a project or just prefer a simpler, static design, removing animations can be incredibly straightforward once you know where to look. Let's start by heading over to canva.com. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. You have the flexibility to log in using Google, Facebook, or your email, so choose the option that suits you best. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose the project you want to work on. This could be an ongoing project or something new that you want to simplify. Once you have your project open, focus on the element, text, or even the entire page that contains the animation you want to remove. It's important to be precise here, so click directly on that element. With your element selected, look towards the toolbar situated below the editor. Here you will find the Animate option. Clicking on Animate will open up a panel displaying a variety of animation options. This is where the magic happens. If you want to remove a specific animation from an element, all you need to do is select the None option from this panel. This effectively strips the element of any animation, leaving it static and allowing it to blend seamlessly with non-animated components of your design. In cases where you wish to remove the animation entirely from the selected element or page, you should click the Remove Animation option. This will not only stop the element from moving or changing dynamically, but will also clean up any additional effects that were previously applied. If your goal extends beyond an individual element, say you want to remove animations from the entire page, look for the Remove All Animations option in the same Animate panel. Selecting this will wipe out all animations from the page, providing a uniform appearance across your project. And there you have it, you've now learned how to navigate Canva's animation tools to achieve a clean, non-animated design. These steps ensure that you can toggle between animated and static presentations based on your project's needs. Practice this a few times and soon you'll effortlessly manage animations in Canva with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guided process makes your designing journey on Canva even more enjoyable.